Hello guys, how are we doing? I thought we'd do a little bit of a different style of autumn winter haul today. I know I've been doing a lot of clothing hauls, I cannot help it. I've got an illness, a sickness when it comes to autumn winter fashion. I actually can't help myself. I wanted to shop at some different stores for a change. So we've got some pieces from ZARA, Topshop, and then something from House of CB as well. I just wanted to go on a little bit of a shopping trip yesterday. Like honestly, I feel like I've been so down and just stressed the past couple of weeks. I was like, do you know what, a little bit of retail therapy never hurt anyone, so here we are. This video is actually in collaboration with ShopTagger as well, which I'm super excited about. Anyone that has been subscribed to my channel for a while, you guys will know I have worked with ShopTagger and used ShopTagger for quite a few years at this point. ShopTagger is basically an app that you can either get on Google Chrome and you can also get it on your mobile phone as well. I use both, and honestly, if you're the sort of person who likes to shop a lot or you like to be really organized, especially with it coming up to like Black Friday and Cyber Monday and also Christmas, it's a really good app for helping you with shopping. I'm the sort of person where I'll online shop quite a lot, and I feel like a lot of the time, a lot of the places that I shop on, like Missguided, Pretty Little Thing, Topshop, ZARA, wherever else, I feel like new launches come out and they release new pieces, and a lot of the time they sell out quite quickly. One of the things that I really like about ShopTagger is the fact that you can save items to your like dashboard and you can add them to your lists, and it basically will tell you when things come back in stock. Again, for ASOS, I've just ordered a pair of Nike tracksuit bottoms that I have wanted for the longest time, and they've been out of stock for like, no exaggeration, a month. As soon as they come back in stock, because they're saved on my ShopTagger, I get a notification straight away, so I'm like one of the first people to know that they're back in stock. I managed to get my hands on them finally. They're coming tomorrow. I'm so excited. I wanted these joggers for literally ever, but it saves you having to kind of like traipse through and keep checking if something's, you know, restocked or whatever. Like it will literally send a notification to your phone, and it will also notify you if you're on your computer as well. I'm gonna put a little screen recording on the screen here so that you can see how to install it. You basically just go to shoptagger.com. So the first thing you obviously want to do is sign up if you're not signed up already. So it is a completely free tool and a completely free app. You just sign up with your email, your Facebook, whatever's easiest, and then you want to make sure you've downloaded the browser button as well. Obviously, if you're on your phone as well, you just need to make sure you've downloaded the app. And then in terms of using ShopTagger, whilst you're shopping on like one of your favorite websites, for example, Missguided, Topshop, whatever it is, you can basically use the button to save items to your ShopTagger dashboard. So all you have to do is click the button, you input your size, the size that you want to save, and also what settings you want in terms of the list. And then yeah, you can select at what point you get notified depending on if something goes on sale. So really, really great for being notified about sales and discounts as well. As I said, I have a makeup and a fashion list because when I'm online shopping, it tends to either be for clothes or for makeup. So really great for organizing your shopping lists as well. Obviously, you can make wish lists for certain things, whatever you want it to be. Another feature that I really like about ShopTagger, which is slightly newer, is the discount code and like the coupon code side of things. I actually saved 10% just by using one of the codes that ShopTagger suggested and applying it to the basket. So really, really handy for things like that as well. Again, just helping you to save that extra bit of money. There's also now a cashback feature as well, which means you actually earn cashback via PayPal, which is amazing. That tends to pop up when you first launch a website and you're on the homepage. It will tell you how much cashback you can get. But yeah, I'm going to leave all of the information down below. Be sure to check them out. As I said, for this video, I'm going to be doing a ZARA, Topshop, and House of CB haul. So I think I'm going to start with ZARA just because, sorry that was quite loud, just because I don't actually think I've ever done any form of like ZARA haul on my channel. I don't know why. I feel like I'm maybe not the most ZARA person, but I feel like when it comes to like autumn winter, ZARA always has like literally the cutest pieces. Okay, so first thing I'm going to show you guys is this like shirt dress that I picked up. So this is kind of like a steely grey colour. I really wanted to pick up some more shirt dresses because I feel like, especially when it gets to this time of year and it's a bit colder, I like wearing, if I'm going out for dinner or whatever, I like to wear something that's just like going to keep me that extra bit warmer. And I feel like shirt dresses do, because they're long sleeved and obviously you can layer them as well, which is perfect. So this one is just like a really simple shirt dress. It's got a bit of a dipped hem, so it has a split hem here where it splits out at the sides and then it dips down at the back, which I really like. It's a really nice length. It's perfect for a dress length. I feel like you could probably still put cycling shorts underneath it if you wanted to as well. And then another shirt that I picked up, this is a shirt that has to be paired with like trousers, a skirt, whatever it is. This again, I just really like the colour of it. So just so you can see like the comparison, that is the shirt dress, and then this is obviously like the shirt. But this one's a little bit more of like a purpley, like indigo blue, which I really like. I think the colour of this is so pretty. This one's got a bit more of an open neckline as well. It doesn't actually button all the way up like a regular shirt would, which I really like. I got this in a size small. It's super oversized. I feel like this tucked into a pair of jeans would just look really cute with a pair of heels or trainers or whatever it is. And yeah, I love the colour of this one. I got this, like I said, in a small, and it's £30. Okay, and then this skirt I did actually pair with the shirt in the try on clip. I feel like on camera it didn't look how I wanted it to look, but in person it actually looks really cute, and I feel like this skirt you could pair with so many different things anyway. So this is just a black kind of like tied skirt, if that makes sense. It's like a knotted tied situation going on up here, and with like a little like drape tassel situation going down. It's a mini skirt. It's quite short. That's the only thing that I'm a little bit like about, because it is a little bit short for me. I got this in a small and it was £30. Really like the fit of it though. It's nice and tight on. It looks really flattering on. I took that shirt into it. I feel like in the try on clip it maybe doesn't look quite right, but I thought like a shirt tucked into this skirt with a pair of biker boots would look really cute, so that's kind of what I have it in mind for. But obviously you could wear this for like a night out with a pair of heels as well. Okay, then next up I picked up a leather blazer. So I have literally been living in Rachel's leather blazer that she has. I'm not actually sure where Rachel's leather blazer is from, but I kind of just didn't have a jacket for like nights out and dinners out, which is why I've been borrowing hers. And I was like, you know what, I saw this one in Zara and I was like, perfect, like no need to steal my friend's clothes anymore. So this one is just a really simple like sleek black leather blazer. There's no like pockets or anything on it. It's like a pocket effect, but it's not an actual pocket, so it's really simple and sleek, which is what I wanted. I feel like this is quite a dressy like jacket blazer, so I just wanted it to be really plain so that it could go with anything. I got it in a medium just so it's a little bit more oversized, and this was £50. Obviously you could wear this in the daytime as well if you wanted to, and pair it with like biker boots. I feel like that would look really cute for this time of year. Okay, and then I picked up 2 pairs of like jersey wide leg trousers. I tried to like hold these up against my leg in the store because I don't even think I'm that tall as a girl. Like I'm 5'7", which I feel like isn't that tall, but I just struggle so much with this style of like trouser to find something where the length is right, and the length is still not right with these. So I really like the texture and like the material of these. That's what like really drew me to them, because they're just really soft and fleecy. Basically got like an oatmeal kind of like beige pair and then a silvery grey pair as well. I just really like the fact that they've got an elastic waistband, which is nice and stretchy. So soft. Like the actual material is so soft, and I'm pretty sure they were only £18 each, which I thought was pretty good for like the quality, because they feel really nice quality. They're just a tiny little bit too short, like literally a tiny bit too short, so I feel like I probably am going to return them, just because I'd rather something like this be too long than too short, if that makes sense. Like I feel like when something's just a little bit too short, it just doesn't look right. And then last but not least from Zara, I picked up a chocolate like brown sweater. This is just so soft. Again, I'm pretty sure this was pretty affordable. It was £18. And it's also made of 25% recycled polyester, which is nice to know. So it's just a really beautiful like chocolate brown colour. I feel like this colour at this time of year you just can't go wrong with. Like it just goes with everything. It's so cozy. It's really autumnal. I have this in mind to go over like a shirt dress with a pair of boots, maybe with this over the top of the shirt dress. I feel like will look really cute, but obviously as well just for around the house, and with a pair of leggings to like run errands. Not that I ever do that, but you know what I'm saying, like just going for little days out and things like that. I did get this in a size large just because I wanted it to be like super oversized and super baggy, and the fit of it is absolutely perfect. I really like it. That was everything that I got from Zara. Let me move on to Topshop. Okay, first thing that I got from Topshop, again it is like a shirt dress. This was actually the only one left, so I don't know if this was like a return and it just got put on like a hanger somewhere. But it's basically this really pretty like khaki olive colour. It's not quite khaki, but it's not, almost like a sage green, but not quite. It's just a really nice autumnal green, I feel like. And it is long enough to be a shirt dress. It does again have like a split hem at the side, but I feel like if you put a pair of cycling shorts underneath, it's absolutely fine. Really, really cute on. It's really thick as well in terms of the material. I actually tried this on under the leather jacket is what I'm saying, the leather blazer. So that is what I've paired it with in that try on clip. But yeah, I really, really like it. It's really cute on, just with a pair of like Perspex heels if I'm going out in the evening, or a pair of like biker boots and like really sheer tights in the day, I think would be really cute as well. Okay, and then in Topshop in the Trafford Centre, they do actually have a Sisters and Seekers section, which I really love because obviously Sisters and Seekers is pretty much only ever online on like the Sisters and Seekers website. So it's kind of nice to actually see the pieces in person and actually get a feel for them. I picked up this black sweater which just has this logo on the front. It says "Work out, water your plants." So cute. Pretty sure Jordan picked this up in her Sisters and Seekers haul as well, and I've just seen it on the website a couple of times and I just think it's really, really like cool. It looks like a really nice fit for a hoodie, which I tried this on and it is the most beautiful fit for a hoodie ever. I got it in a size medium large. It was £35 and it just like throw on with a pair of like black flares or like a pair of black joggers, black leggings, whatever it is, just wear around the house too. I just wanted a comfy black hoodie because, believe it or not, like I do not own a black hoodie at all. Like I do not have a single black hoodie in my wardrobe, so thought that was cute and filled the space for a black hoodie in my wardrobe. Okay, and then next I got these joggers. These joggers have really upset me. Like, I never thought I would be upset over a pair of joggers, but these joggers have genuinely upset me because they're such a nice colour. I don't have any joggers that are this kind of like creamy oatmeal colour, but the fit of these is just dreadful. Like, so these are from the Fashion Bible, which is stocked in Topshop. I saw them on the hanger. I had high hopes because the waistband looked really like nice and elasticated. They're just really, really short in terms of the waist, so I like my joggers to be quite high-waisted. Like I'm wearing these ones today from Misguided, really high-waisted, like literally have so much room for them to be high-waisted, even if they're not super high-waisted, just so that they're like past my belly button is fine. If you try and make these joggers high-waisted, it literally gives you the worst camel toe I have ever seen. And I guess it's not a bad thing because some people, I mean, do some people like their joggers low-waisted? I'm not entirely sure. You would have to wear these as like low-waist joggers, but I just personally feel like joggers should be high-waisted, but then it is a personal preference. Also from Topshop, I picked up this like creamy trench coat. This is beautiful on. It actually wasn't too expensive for Topshop either. It was £80, which I feel like for a good coat is like more than a reasonable price. I got this in a 10. It's got these little like tortoise buttons and it comes with a belt as well. I just really like the collar on this. It's just so beautiful on. I think it was Mads that was wearing a trench coat when we went to London not so long ago, and I was like, do you know what, like you've just sold me on trench coats because it looks so gorgeous on her. And I've never actually really owned like a proper like creamy yummy trench coat, so I picked this up just because again it's quite a light coat, and all of the coats that I have tend to be like really like fluffy board coats or like really like padded puffer coats. I didn't have a coat that was just like a light and like nice coat to pair for like stuff in the evening time, to go over a dress, like whatever it is, or to lay it in the day. And I feel like that this coat just like ticks all of those boxes. Like it's just so gorgeous on. Love the length, love the collar, love the fit. Again, I was like, is a 10 going to be like too big? Because I feel like with trench coats, you can't really do them too oversized because they're supposed to look a little bit fitted. But I feel like the 10 is perfect. Like I wouldn't want it any smaller, wouldn't want it any bigger. Absolutely love it. It's probably my favourite piece in this haul, if I'm going to be honest. And I feel like for the price, I'm so happy with it because I bought that H&M coat that is a similar colour to this about a month ago, I want to say. It was in my like ASOS and H&M haul, and I returned that, and then I kind of like almost regretted returning it because I couldn't find anything in that colour that I loved as much. This, like, I prefer so much, and it's literally, I want to say it's like £50 less, so yeah. that was my happy purchase of the day. I'm very happy with that. Okay, and then last but not least, we've got House of CB. That rhymes. You guys need to tell me what you think about these pants, okay? Because I went in wanting the black version of these pants. Obviously, this is like the brown colour. I don't know how I feel about this type of brown on me. I feel like this type of brown on like darker skin tones is so beautiful, but I feel like I don't know how I feel about it on me, if that makes sense. I feel like it's such a gorgeous colour, but I just don't know if I can pull it off because it's quite like warm, quite rich, like in comparison to the chocolate jumper from ZARA. This is just like quite a vibrant, like warm brown. One thing I do like about these pants is the fit. The fit is absolutely beautiful. I got these in a size small, really love them on, because leather pants especially, I'd quite like, they're either right or they're not. There's no really like give with leather. Obviously it's not stretchy or anything like that, so they have to be perfect, and I feel like these are. I really like the fact that they're wide legged as well. They're a perfect length. They're like not too long, not too short. I feel like maybe with like a white top or like a white shirt or like a little black top or something, like a crop top and a pair of heels, they'd probably be really cute. I'm just not sure because obviously House of CB isn't cheap either. These were, they don't have a price on actually, so I can't tell you. Tell me what you guys think, because I'm literally on the fence about these and I can't decide, but I do think they're a gorgeous pair of pants. I just don't know if I can pull them off is what I'm saying. So either way, 10 out of 10 recommend them. I feel like they look gorgeous on. Okay, so that was everything that I picked up on my little shopping trip this time. I hope you guys are enjoying these hauls. They're probably getting a little bit like overkill at the minute, but I just can't help it. I'm just in a shopping mode, like I can't stop myself. I just love it. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos as well, hopefully getting a little bit of like inspo for like things that you want to pick up or whatever else. Be sure to check out Shop Tagger, as I said. All of the information for that will be down below, and yeah, I think that is everything for this video. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in the next one.